Come and watch the grasshopper teach us something new today.
Are you looking for a complete personal narrative unit? Be sure to check the description below to grab our paired differentiated lessons for stress-free planning. Let's begin. What is a personal narrative essay? This type of essay is when you write a true story about something that happened to you. For example, when I went on a trip to Alaska with my family. Some personal narrative essays are called small moments. This is when you only write about one small part or moment that happened during a bigger event. For a small moment personal narrative essay, you zoom in on the moment by writing about a short, small part, not the entire big event. For Alaska, I wouldn't write about my entire trip. Instead, I'd zoom in on a small part, like when a whale got so close to our boat that I got completely soaked. So, what do you actually write in a personal narrative essay? Well, every essay begins with a title. The first paragraph is called the lead. Then there are the plot paragraphs. And the last paragraph is the ending. Let's take a quick look at each of these parts. First is the lead. The lead includes the first few sentences that a reader will look at. You want to make sure the sentences grab the reader's attention so they keep reading. Next are the plot paragraphs. These tell exactly what happened in the order that they happened in. You will break down the moment into 4 parts. These will tell what happened first, next, then, and last. Each plot paragraph has lots of details, dialogue, and thoughts. These help the reader feel like they are in the moment with you. The last paragraph is the ending, which is made up of 3 parts. The first part tells how you felt at the end of the moment. The next part tells what you learned from the experience. And finally, you wrap it up by giving an action or thought. And that's all the parts for a personal narrative essay. Now you're ready to get started writing your own. Be sure to watch all the personal narrative writing videos to help you learn how to write a strong and interesting essay. Thanks for watching our teaching video on what is a personal narrative. Don't forget to follow Grasshopper and shop our personal narrative writing resources. Check the description for more.